As Ghana joins the rest of the world to celebrate World Water Day, a day set aside to celebrate water and raise awareness of the global water crisis, and the core focus of the observance is to support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 6, which is water and sanitation for all by 2030. I visited a community under the Weija-gbawe Municipal Assembly in Gonse electoral area, throwing the spotlight on the plight of about 13,000 residents who live in a community without access to potable water. All they enjoy is this water body behind me. And if not this, then the only source of water is to get or to buy from some individuals who have been able to get some polytanks which they are selling to other people. If you are not able to buy or afford from people selling from the tankers, then your only source of water would have to be from this particular water. But let's get to speak to some residents of this community to find out how their livelihoods are being affected by this. Meet Madam Helena Kwashi, a popular kinky seller here in Ablekuma, Agape. However, there have been recent reports of residents slipping and losing their lives from fetching from the water. She is left with no other option than to trek miles in search of water.
Pipe. Nsuo bidaha na nka yesabi na yeba afedi nsuo no yekosa no obi atom we kosa akwada na watom nti yentumi nsa nsuo ni biom ama ye ho kire ye wonsuo ukoto nsuo bucket kitwa 50 pesos rubber kitwa 80 pesos.
Madam Kwashi is not in this situation alone. James Amwa is just frustrated after losing his brother when he went to fetch from the water body.
First day we were saying so no, I did jai. In fact, maybe I told so no more. Maybe I penny. Or told so Easter or told so more saying no. Maybe Benjaminsa.
Madam Kwashi tells me her grandchild treks miles in search of water, reason for his absent mostly in school. She could only plead for an intervention.
Today be kwa mu tank ni so no sa wo mu a. Na ya asem. Ti se wo ko e chire wo be bresa. Wo na na kwa be ko wansuo nti on to be in school. Fi se wo be suma no ko bu nsuo ma. Na ye bre. Nti yesra ban se on be boa ye wonsuo hu. Ye pamu chow. Se mo bo boa ye wonsuo hu.
Ruben Ofori is the assembly member for Gonse Juma electoral area. He laments about the situation.
It's very severe and it's so pathetic that we are close to Weija Dam and we don't have pipe water here. So what we normally do is, any of you who have money to buy the tanker, you see the tanker water is from the Ghana Waterworks. So if you have money, you can call upon the tankers, and that one too is very costly. At first it was 80, 90, 100, but in this COVID area, they've increased it. It's now 150. The one we buy 100 at first, now it's now 150. The one we buy 80 is now 100. And we depend on sachet water too. Sachet water for drinking aspect, yeah. But for washing and cooking and construction, we depend on this one.
He tells me there are about 13,000 residents under his electoral area who are suffering from the same water crisis.
Members, we have about 6,000.
About 6,000.
6,000 here. And Juma is having 7,000, so in all it's 13,000.
And all these 13,000 people depend solely on this water.
On this water.
James Amwa had this plea to make.
Any pipe. To me, about me to abone any pipe there. You see, you had any pipe. It's already, I see.
The assembly member is, however, optimistic that there would be an intervention, as the municipal chief executive and member of parliament have both promised of getting the community connected to the Ghana Water Company Limited by the end of this year.
Me be the assemblyman, I'm working hand in hand with our MCE and the MP, and they are doing their best because series of letters have been submitted to the Ghana Water Company. They even send people to come and have a look at the area. They came and surveyed the whole area, and they even interact with some of the residents.
When was that?
That was 2-3 months ago.
Okay.
2-3 months ago. So they assure us that by the close of this year, will get access to good drinking potable water here.
But until then, Madam Helena Kwashi and some other residents like Madam Osei could only make this plea for an intervention.
Yes, I had a son, the Nipatum. Nipato, Bim to Tomopa, Yagro. A higher, they say a higher news, you, any pipe be our has G. Boho moons, you know, Mokota, no matter to my name, Seattle. So any day, our harness will be a sebi. The wind is going to me there, talk when it are. Won't because we say, who got Tom the Mount 70 pesos. It's a way I saw Bessana or the quiet. Why, dear?